shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands I be pulling up. Tell your friends cause I'm pulling up.
I think this microphone's working okay. I'm gonna use it. If it sucks, it sucks though. I keep trying different microphones out. Oh, look who it is.
Don't fill me with my haircut.
Hey, man. Got the shag going, man. That's the Dallas swag in the back.
I'm getting my my motorcycle hair back.
Hey, man, this is my boy POST Malone right here, man.
Whoa! Cut the roof off like a nip tuck.
Oh, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy 728, man. With the 4K this time. I'm gonna see how this works out, man. I might need to adjust some settings or whatever, but pulled up. Got a little VIP treatment out here, man. They let your boy park right in the front. So we walk around. I'm gonna show y'all some nice cars, man. Y'all know how we do. Let's get it. Y'all look over in the corner, man. Y'all see Darth Vader over there, all blacked out. This is real cold right here, man.
Well, I didn't sleep all day. My speech was slurred, but I had
Oh, he got my Indy 500s on. Y'all know that's my tire of choice right now. Yeah, man, I like coming to these events, man. Get to enjoy the weather, get out the house, man, see some dope cars. You get to actually get some ideas too, man, because you start putting stuff together for like, what should I do for my car, what wheels. But I see a lot of people running those tires I bought, man, those Indy 500s. I told y'all they were good, man. Uh-oh, I see Batmag over here, so that means my people here somewhere. Batmag. You got the bat on the front. Damn. Shut the whole Corvette motor in there. Man, you know this thing is crazy. Damn, somebody basing hard. Golly. The school of thought. But dang, man. I bet this thing probably terrifying if you don't know what you're doing, man. Look at let me show you the tires that are on this thing, man. So you can get an understanding here. So the front tires are meaty. The back tires are meaty too, man. But this thing tear up a road course. Oh wow. I think I saw this car before, but it had a different wrap on it. Look at it now, man. Damn, the flake though. Damn, look at that. Sparkle, sparkle. Carbon fiber hood. All these cars here, man, but of course, you know, we got an R8 just sitting over here chilling. Nobody cares. This is V10 R8. Nobody cares. Everybody's out there. Got the green brakes, carbon seal. Got the spoiler up in the back. But nobody cares. Whoa, 6-4 shaker alert. I had to come see this man's car, man. Sorry about the music. Sorry about the crappy music back here. Yeah, boy. Big 6'4" under the hood. Got the catch can. Oh, I like the little accents.
Yeah. That's a little guy over in Frisco called Flaming Dirt.
Oh, shit. Step on him like 44.
What's happening, man?
What's good,
Give me like
man?
44, man. Y'all subscribe to the channel, man.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boys again. I gotta comment on this one car, man, cause this thing here it's clean to me, man. I know some of y'all might be like, hell no, but man, I'm gonna show you real quick. Look at this thing, man, with the crazy wheels. Yo, bag bug. This thing is bad, man. Woo. This is crazy.
Are they covers?
That's what it looks like, right?
Cover, yeah.
I mean, I got into an accident. A lot of people don't know that I had a Beetle. It was silver. Had it about 2 years ago. I was definitely planning on doing something just like this, something real crazy with it. Got into a car accident, man. It wasn't my fault. They totaled the car out. That's how I got the GTI. But man, every time I see a Beetle and somebody does it nice, I just like, dang, I miss my Beetle, man. Shoot. R.I.P. It went too soon, man, too soon. Had the 2.0 turbo, same one out of the GTI, 200 something horsepower. It was a quick little bastard,
Man, that
too.
ain't bad. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
So, damn.
Not too bad at all.
Come on back now. There you go. You got it. You got it. Make sure you're good. Make sure you're good. You got it. You got it. All right now. Yeah, you got a little bacon on the fender, man. A little crinkly crackly. Box body rolling through. There you go. Woo. Pretty serious. It's clean though. That's his mama car. It's clean. You done got so clean, man. Look at you, man.
How you doing, man?
Pretty good, dog. Woo.
Yeah, I got primo parking there, you know.
I see, man.
I got the hookup.
Big, what's the deal? As soon as you come in, that's what I saw. See, I spelled your name wrong, man. I gotta go back on Instagram because you told me what the name was and I just spelled it all the way wrong, man. So there it is right there, y'all. Y'all can see it. Hennessy. I spelled it Hennessy like the drink. I was like, man,
That's what it makes you think, you know.
Yeah, I typed in Hennessy. All these strippers came up. I was like, that can't be him. So.
Not me.
Boy on the grill with the rollie on, man. Come on, man. They don't know. They can't see it. Come on, man. Shh. Switch mics on, y'all. Let's see what happened. Got the damn interview mic on. Hey, how you doing today, guys? We want to see how it's going today.
My name is Billy. I'm your special guest to today's show. Like and subscribe and turn the post notification bell on.
That's what you really
Tell them your Instagram, man.
728 Autos is my Instagram.
He's from New Hampshire.
He had to go to Luby's because, you know, it's getting a little late in the day, so he had to hit the buffet line, you know.
Why Luby's?
Why
Luby's?
What, you like furs better? Jeez.
I don't eat any
Don't
of
be
that.
hating.
Golden Corral.
Golden Corral.
Both of those.
Ryan's.
Yeah.
Oh, I never
Pretty dog, man. Bring these little squirrels out here, man. Come on now.
So yeah, we've been seeing the video.
Yeah, he don't want to turn around. Number four. There you go. He does. Hey y'all tell me, man, so what do y'all call this, man? Do y'all call this soda or a pop, man? We almost got to a big old argument, man, because, you know, I got viewers from all across the United States, man, so down south, man, we say get a soda, man. This dude say, hey, man, you want a pop? I was like, then the other dude was like, pop! He was from Chicago, man, so, you know, they do things a little differently up there, man. So, hey, let me know, man. Let me know down in the comments below, man. Soda or pop, man. It's all good to me, but, hey, it was funny, man. Hey, man, make sure y'all check out Quality Sound in Garland, man. If y'all in Texas, Dallas, all that good stuff, man. You know, they do this all the time, man. They'll put the subs in, amps in, speakers in the doors. Whatever you want, man. And it'll sound good, too, for a good price. So hit them up, man. You see, You see, we got a little work going over here, man. So, hey, don't sleep. Hey, man, check out this man's channel, man. This is no Mexican, man. I know it's a little dark in here, man, but he's starting this channel out, man. We need to get some subscribers, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Y'all hit him up. Go check him out. He does a lot of dope videos, man.
I appreciate that, man.
He's just getting started, so
just getting started.
Imagine what it's gonna be like.
Yeah,
hey.
that's no Mexican.
There you go.
Appreciate that.
All right, y'all. We interrupt your car video to bring you a shopping vlog real quick. Somebody searching for pants and clothes. I'm not gonna say no names. So this is real interesting. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead. Oh,
yeah,
that's it. That's all they got right there. You gotta make a choice. You don't like? Oh, she don't like none. We walking away. Got suits. Like rush hour cheap suits. How cheap? Oh yeah, they real. They dressed up in here, man. Oh, these dudes fly over here. Look at these dudes. Huh? Some boots. Some boots there, man. You know, all you need to do is wear them once. They don't need to last that long. Oh, she's in another store. Oh, almost got stuck, y'all.
You don't get stuck now.
It's a little tight there, man.
It is a little tight in there. Ain't nothing on the booty.
Yeah, these booty jeans right here, man. Yeah, they got the super stretch. He just asked me to re-vlog. I didn't want to be on chat. It's alright, man. I get it. You get a little nervous sometimes. But yeah, man, check me out. 728 Autos on YouTube. Oh man, that was funny.
That was cute.
All right, YouTube, we back. We back outside with the cars, man. Batman just got finished. They rolling that out. See them right there. Woo! It feels nice out here now. At first it was a little cold, but what are you doing? Stop it. But as the day got better, it feels good out here, man. Oh, I think I spoke too soon, man, because as soon as that wind hit me, as soon as that wind got me a little chilly. Woo. Does she know how to back in, man?
I hope.
Yeah, I don't know. This look a little sketchy. She trying.
She ain't the best.
Yeah. Oh, she got it. I'm gonna get at about an 8 out of 10. It's a little diagonal, you know. You gonna give it a 6? All right. It's all right. What up, dog? You out?
We're gonna make a run for it, man.
All right, man.
Good to see
you, man.
All right.
See y'all later. There you go. Steady rolling now. You look at you started, man. Yeah, that thing nasty. Yeah, that thing nasty, man. I had to get away. It hurt my ears a little bit. That was a little bit much. Oh, Joshy Washy, what are you doing, Joshy Washy? You finna go for a ride, man? Get a little spinnerooski.
You know, I got some footage. I'll show y'all. I'll let y'all know. The Dewani effect. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
You know what?
The camera going?
If y'all ain't subscribed to 728, y'all missing out, man. 728 is one of the biggest YouTubers in Dallas. Y'all gotta understand the fact this man is grinding for y'all. Like and subscribe, comment. You know.
All right,
out.
get enough. Fine. Since I can't do the outro right, I'll do it right here again. Check out all the cars, man. Hope y'all got a good view of everything that's out here, man. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next video. It's cold. Peace.